In today's video, guys, we're going to talk about FIDO Rise. So this is another NFT project that are redistributing tokens into their investors so that you will be able to earn more and also get more tokens as well. So again, this is FIDO Rise Launchpad. Of course, do not forget to subscribe into my channel for more daily updates like this. So this is the brief tokenomics. So they are very straightforward if you're going to look into their website. So tokenomics is 3% of the total transaction is distributed to the current holders of the FIDO Rise token. There are also a buyback function, which a set amount of FIDO Rise tokens that are bought using the BNB that will be held on the contract, and then it will be sent into the burn address. So into this portion over here, the token supply are being reduced every single day, every single week. So it is also a deflationary token in Binance Smart Chain. Okay, so the liquidity remains funded as follows. So every sale that occurs, BNB from the contract and FIDO Rise tokens from the contract are paired and sold to the liquidity pool. So liquidity pool are also getting up every time there is a sale, and also they are having a marketing into this token as well. So of course every project needs a marketing. So for you to be able to buy FIDO Rise, let me just show it to you real quick. You will go into the Pancake Swap. So of course you need to download Trezor Wallet or Binance Smart Chain or even a MetaMask. Okay, and what you just need to do is go to the exchange portion over here. So this is pretty much the same like what is being shown at this part over here. So let's copy this contract address first. Okay, so of course let's go forward on your BNB, on your MetaMask. So make sure that your MetaMask is already connected into your Pancake Swap, and then of course if you have some BNBs to swap, you'll just need to click it and then select the paired currency. So if it doesn't shown here, you can go forward into the PooCoin section and then paste it over here. Wait for a moment, and then it will actually appear at this portion over here. So of course you need to connect your wallet, and this is the FIDO Rise token. So you'll be able to buy it directly. I'm also going to put it into the description box below for your reference as well. So of course like what's mentioned, you need to trade it, and let's say you're going to trade this one, and you set the slippage into 9%, and then just click. So for you to be able to do that, just change it into 9%, and then just click the swap button. So that's how easy it is. So this is like the tutorial if you haven't known or anything. So they also have an audit, they also have a white paper. So let's go forward first into the audit. So you see here 96% is the security score. Also manual code review has been passed, website overview has been passed, and everything. Route proof analysis has been passed as well. And also this is everything that you need to know. For the white paper, this is the official white paper of the said project. So let me just show it to you real quick for you guys so that you will be able to know and able to see what's actually inside the white paper. Okay, so I'm also going to put the link into the description box below. So while we're waiting for the white paper, so I think that's pretty much it, guys. Okay, so this is the technology that they have. It is actually under FIDO Vision. So they do have FIDO Rise, FIDO Swap, and FIDO DAO. Since this is a launch pad, so there are actually a certain technology inside this project as well. So they do have their vision to acquire financial smart contracts in order to integrate them into a network of contracts governed by a decentralized anonymous organization, which is the DAO. And you'll be able to buy it, and also this is verified. So for the roadmap, this is the roadmap of FIDO Vision. So they are listed into they are looking to list into the popular sites. They also launched their website and marketing. They're also going to launch the NFT and token giveaway for initial investor base. Now they're looking also for up to Q2 2022 and beyond, also over the release of their FIDO swap, which is their version of their own pancake swap probably. So this is the white paper of FIDO. So this is a 4-page white paper. So they're presenting the problems and their solutions for those kind of problems. So also going to put this one into the description box below so that you'll be able to check on it. Of course, this is not a financial advice. Always invest what you can afford to lose, but in my case, if this actually goes well, since the market cap is really low right now, it is 50,000. When whales actually put some money here and it goes up to 500,000, even 5 million, then probably your multipliers, your money will actually triple or even multiple times, like 10x, 20x, and even 100x, if it is even possible as well. So this is everything that I know about FIDO Rise. Of course, do not invest what you can afford to lose, and this is not a financial advice again, okay? So again, this is Crypto Addict here, back again with another awesome content, and see you on the next video.